There are over 100 different types of cancer, and each is classified by the type of cell that is initially affected. When the human body is formed, undergoes a stage named angiogenesis during which all blood vessels are created. However, this activity does not stop after we are born. It is also present later in our lives when we suffer injuries that cut through our skin, veins, or arteries, and the need for rebuilding the blood canals arises. Very often, this process is related with cancer spread, and it is orchestrated by what are called activators and inhibitors. Almost all cancer-related researches focus mainly on the inhibitors. However, it is actually the activators who promote and boost the vascular growing of cells, so that new blood vessels could be created. The 5 foods listed below are actually anti-angiogenesis, and that is the reason why they help stop tumor growth because they affect the feeding of cancers. 1. The blueberry and raspberry effect. Blueberries and raspberries are plants that are well known by their anti-cancer capabilities, especially when it comes to ovarian cancer. Phytochemicals are the reason why they have their dark hue and a secret of their effectiveness, which is proven to be great for cancer prevention. Furthermore, blueberries and raspberries are also known to have a decreasing effect on oxidative stress and angiogenesis. 2. Coffee and green tea. Besides the fact that both coffee and green tea are the most popular daily consummated drinks, they decrease the chances of cancer development. 3. The tomato effect. According to recent Harvard research, there is up to 50% reduction in chances for prostate cancer in people who regularly ate cooked tomatoes. It was proven that tomatoes are incredibly effective in inhibiting the angiogenesis, and the reason why these fruits are so effective is that they contain high amounts of a substance called lycopene, which has strong anti-angiogenic properties. Experts explain that lycopene is easily distributed through the body's digestion system due to the fact it breaks down in our body's fat. In addition, lycopene concentration increases when it is subjected to higher temperatures. That is why cooked tomatoes are very effective when it comes to stopping cells growth. 4. Dark chocolate. For many people, this is almost unbelievable. Dark chocolate is an incredibly tasty dessert, which also happens to be incredibly healthy to eat, because it is good for your heart condition, your overall happiness, but also for fighting cancer cells. 5. Turmeric. This plant has various health benefits, and it is well known by the effectiveness in fat reduction. Turmeric is also used as a preventive measure against cancer. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.